Uh, Ranjanji, a fact I want to share with you.
Yeah,
All of my good friends are there.
yeah.
Really, the session was amazing and mind blowing. We expected a casual session from you, but today we had a workshop. We had a workshop. Really, just we received 10 times or 20 times or 30 times more than what we expected. Really, you touched the hearts of everyone, and you are the real brand ambassador of JCI India. Yes, JC woman really pointed that you are the gem of our country, not gem of our particular zone. You are gem of the country. Really, hats off, brother, hats off. Now I won't call you Mr. Ranjan Kumar. I will call you Professor Ranjan Kumar.
Thank you so
So,
much.
yes, brother. And honestly, I want to share a small example to my brothers who are present here. When we go to some a corporate hospital with having all testings for entire body checkup, we will know what is everything inside it. They will be all scanning checkups, give a final report. Similarly, you are given real a thought which is required to every businessman at this very important stage of life. Really, very grateful to you. A great session we had. I don't know how to express my thanks and gratitude and respect, love to you on behalf of the Ganjam Chamber of Commerce. Really, very thanks. We love you very much. Very happy. I want to make a request. Whenever you visit Barampur or sometime in the year 2021, you have to visit Barampur for our Sheikh. Your well-wishers are there in Barampur. Such a great session you have given today. You touched the hearts of each and every participant. Really, hats off. A big salute to you, brother.
Thank you
And
so much. Thank you so much. It was so awesome to be
yes,
with you
yes.
all. Thank you so much for a great explosion of learning, and thank you so much for all that you made me speak and you gave me this opportunity to be here. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Acha, now officially as per procedure, I request the Honorary Secretary V. Santosh to propose oath of thanks with due request to the trainer. It is official formality. Santosh, please
Yeah.
propose oath of thanks.
Thank you, President. Thank you, President. And Ranjanji and all the participants who made us the event very successful. At the same time, I would like to express all the participants speaker at situation is the order of the day. What you all learned, we have to convert into executing the things. What he has created, we have to develop the situation into opportunity. This is the order of the day. What I understand. Hope is the power that you see a person, the confidence to step out and try. We shouldn't lose the hope. We have to be always hopeful to always uh, try and convert into an opportunity. This is the area we need to have. And your knowledge, thanks for your knowledge, your support, and your involvement. And you made everyone in the session for more than almost 2 hours. So this is what your greatness. You made everyone to understand the business, how to evaluate yourself and your business establishment. This is a great, sir. You thanks on behalf of the
Thank you so
Ganjam
much.
Chamber of Commerce
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
from me,
Santosh.
and
Acha,
for sharing your knowledge with everyone. And all the participants, I express thanks on behalf of the special thanks to the team, Jivika, that is Vice President Training, and all the Dikshit, Ipar Srinivas, and of course many others who are with us. Prashant, and of course VVR and Rao, and DL, who made this Courtney Ravi and all, you
Sarthak.
made
Yes.
this reason a successful one. Thank you. Thanks to everyone. Over to President.
Okay, and adding to the V. Santosh points, I must be grateful to Engineer Prashant Patro, who really brought Ranjan. Rather, on behalf of everyone, I must want to salute Prashant for getting Professor Ranjan Kumar
Yeah,
to
yeah.
Ganjam Chamber of Commerce. Really, Prashant, great of you, proud of you, and
Yes,
a big salute to you. And
Bablu?
no doubt, yes,
Bablu,
Prashant,
the last time actually we have requested Mr. Ranjan to come to the chamber for a program, but due
Yes.
to some
The
reason
month
or
of
other, it was postponed. And I thought it wise to make him in the trainers list because I know Ranjan's credibility as a trainer. So I want that all the Chamber of Commerce members should be benefited by that.
Yes. I very
Nice.
seriously request Ranjan Kumar sir. You please be with us. You will be the backbone to our Ganjam Chamber of Commerce and permanent trainer advisor. And I wish you should visit us whenever after Corona, of course, whenever possible. And definitely we will have the opportunity of inviting you with the one-to-one festive workshop. And no words are with me to express my happiness, Ranjan, Professor Ranjan, and no doubt the officer formality completed. Ranjan sir, can you please allow the participant if anybody having any question? Can we for a couple of minutes?
5 minutes, please. I have another engagement. I was getting late, but still it's okay. 5 minutes. If anybody wants to ask, we would love to.
Okay.
Children are waiting.
Last 5 minutes.
Sir, please convey our hi to your children.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's where I was headed to.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Understood.
Yeah.
Ranjan, it is Prashant. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prashant ji. Thanks for calling me and thanks for inviting me. It was super lovely company from all of you and a great learning. Thank you so much.
Looking forward for a training session at Berhampur in near future.
Absolutely. I mean, post-COVID, anytime, I'll be also be eagerly waiting for the day.
Thank you. We are very grateful to you, Ranjan ji.
Mr. Ranjan sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ranjan ji. Thank you.
Somebody speaking.
Sir, this is Suresh.
Yeah, Suresh.
I was going to the Prime Minister address in 2018 where he was speaking to the budding engineers of the country. Around 3,000 students have participated. He was speaking about 2.5 hours, but he was hearing to the students. After 85 minutes with a glass of water, it was both sides program. Students were doing. But in this session, he spoke about 100 minutes. Exactly after 85 minutes, you took a small quantity of water. Hats up to you for your continuous. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for noticing that. And yes, I too have a natural tendency. I forget everything once I start speaking and once I am into the session. So probably that's a great thing you noticed. Thank you so much for acknowledging the commitment. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Any
Thank
question?
you.
Any question from anybody?
President, okay, sir. Please.
Okay.
President,
Okay.
wind up. Yes,
Okay.
some other-
Thank you, Ranjan ji.
Thank you.
Great
Once
talking
again.
to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Yes, sir.
Once
Thank you.
again,
Thanks
thank
for
you
everyone.
everyone
Good night, sir. Good night.
for
Thank
joining
you.
this today's meeting.
Good
Good
night.
night. Thank you all.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Good day,
Thank you,
sir.
Prashant ji. Thank you so much.